First, put the water in the water tank. It shows the scale, how many cups. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then you can put the coffee bean into the cartridge. Then you can choose the thickness of the coffee bean. Click once to turn it on. This is choose if you use coffee powder or coffee bean. If you use coffee bean, you can choose the strengthness. 1 bean is light, 2 beans is medium, 3 beans is strong. Once you choose the coffee bean, click here to choose how many cups you want. And then click once to start. It's processing. Now it stopped brewing. The light is flashing, means the machine is still working. Once you hear the beeping, it means the coffee is done. The light is stopped flashing, and it means now it's going to it's in heat preservation.